Over the years, I've worked with a lot of design and visualization tools. Some were powerful, some were fast, and some were just overwhelming. But when I first discovered Ideal House, something instantly caught my attention. Not because it promised to replace architects, but because it actually felt like it understood how designers think. Hi everyone, this is Estudio Concepto. I'm an architectural designer and visualizer, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been following my work, you already know this. I'm obsessed with tools that make architectural workflows smarter, faster, more intuitive, and of course, visually beautiful. And that's exactly why Ideal House stood out to me. With just a few strokes, whether it's an image, a reference photo, or even a 2D drawing, you can turn ideas into visual presentations in seconds. And the best part? It's not about replacing your creative process, it's about giving your ideas wings. If you want to explore it yourself, I've added a link below so you can try Ideal House for free. Now, let's dive in and I'll show you exactly how it works. Once you open Ideal House, you'll notice it's a powerful AI design tool that works directly from your desktop browser, and it's also available on iOS and Android. So yes, you can design anywhere, anytime. After logging in, you're welcomed with a clean and intuitive interface. You'll find your recent works, templates, and tutorials right here so you can jump straight into designing without wasting time. To begin a new project, simply click on Features and choose the type of presentation you want to start with. This is where the magic begins. At the top, you'll see tools like Design, Staging, and Present, each one focused on a different stage of your workflow. Let me show you one of my favorite features, the House Plan Generator. Here, you can choose how many bedrooms and bathrooms you want, the total area size, and from a massive list of architectural house styles. In just a few seconds, Ideal House generates floor plans with dimensions, elevations, and even 2 exterior renderings. This is perfect for on-the-go client presentations or early-stage concept development. Now, another feature I want to show you is the Plan Visualizer. This one is really useful, especially if you already have an existing floor plan and you just want to quickly turn it into something more presentable. What it does is it lets you instantly visualize your floor plans in different styles. All you need to do is upload your plan, choose the plan type, select the design style that you prefer, and pick the view that you want to generate. You can also add a short prompt if you want to guide the AI a bit more. Then after a few seconds, the system generates a professionally styled plan visualization. And what I like about this is that something that would normally take a lot of time, adjusting graphics, adding textures, preparing presentation views, can now be done almost instantly. So if you need a quick but polished visual for a presentation or for sharing with the client, this feature can save you a lot of time. Next, let's look at the Furniture Try-On feature. This one is especially useful if you're working on interiors. So for this example, I started with a simple photo of a bedroom. Nothing fancy, just a clean base image of the space. Then I switched to precise mode, uploaded the photo, and started adding a few elements, like a footstool, some rugs, and curtains for the window. What's nice here is that you can position and adjust the items so they sit naturally inside the space. And once you generate the result, the AI blends everything together so it actually looks like those pieces were already part of the original photo. In just a few seconds, the room goes from a plain bedroom image to something that looks much more styled and professionally presented. For designers or even for quick client previews, this is a really fast way to experiment with different interior setups without rebuilding the entire scene from scratch. Now, this next feature is honestly one of the most interesting ones in the platform, the image to video tool. This is where Ideal House really starts to stand out. The process is actually very simple. You begin by uploading a starting image, then an ending image. These could be interior renders, exterior perspectives, or even design visuals that you already created. After that, you can type a short prompt to guide how the transition should look. Then you just set your video resolution, choose the duration, and click Generate. And in just a short moment, the system creates a smooth video animation based on those images. What I like about this is that you don't need complicated video software or editing skills to make something that looks presentable. For designers, real estate presentations, or even social media content, it's a really quick way to turn static images into something more dynamic. And the whole process only takes a few steps. Another fun and powerful feature is home decor ideas. Here I upload a sample interior photo, choose the space type, and explore different decor styles. Just for fun, I picked steampunk, I hit generate, and in seconds the space transforms with a completely new design direction. You can experiment endlessly, stack prompts, and refine your ideas until you get the perfect result. So whether you're an architect, an interior designer, or even a student, Ideal House lets you do everything in one place. From 2D floor plans, to detailed drawings, to photorealistic AI renderings. No need to switch tools constantly. And here's the best part. You can try Ideal House for free or start with one of the most affordable AI architectural visualization plans. Starting at 299 pesos per week with free daily credits included. That is insane value. And this video is just the beginning. This is not a one-time review, this is a full YouTube course. Every week I'll be uploading new lessons where I'll show you how to create architectural drawings, build AI renders, write effective prompts, and present designs professionally all inside Ideal House. So make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay tuned because by the end of this playlist, you'll have a completely new way of designing. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, happy designing!